Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're picking up where we left off the last time we were outside. That's right, I'm fixing the bench that I did not prep properly for. So here's the plan. We're going to rip the boards down to the size so they fit in the wrought iron pieces. I know I should have checked them before I stained them, but you live and you learn, and that's a mistake I won't make again. And then we're going to sand them down and then put another coat on them of stain, and hopefully I have enough in my little stain sample. If not, I'll have to go get a new one, which is a-okay. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. It's part of DIYing, right? 20 trips to the hardware store. And we're going to bolt them on, and then that project I can officially check off as done. So let's get started. So this is how we started out. It was falling apart. It needed new boards, a good coat of paint, really just some TLC. So we started by disassembling all of the pieces and breaking it apart. Then I ripped down the boards to make sure that they would fit within the slots. As you can see, I should have tested it before staining these. Learn from my mistakes so that you don't have to. Let's test them and see if they work. Help. Oh, no, I got it. Yep, that one fits. This guy, that fits. That guy fits. And last but not least, and that, my friends, is what I should have done before I stained them. So I'm gonna take them off, sand them down, and stain them again. And then we'll bolt them on. Always very important to stir your stain, not shake it. And I'm hoping that this will be enough to do what I need to do, and I don't have to go get another one. So we'll see. If not, I'll be making a run to Home Depot. Okay, I have got the boards stained, or at least the first coat. We're going to let that dry, and then I need to read the directions. I think it's a couple of hours before that's dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to trim some bushes off camera. You guys don't need to see me do yard work. And then hopefully they'll be dry enough tonight so that I can put my second coat of stain on where we had to rip boards. If not, then I'll do it tomorrow and we'll assemble the bench and we can be done with this project, which is really exciting. How did we get this to work last time? Did I have to put this thing on there? it's time for a little before and after. Check it out. Guys, I think it turned out really good. From trash to treasure, one would say, and I feel really good about finishing this project. Obviously, things don't always go the way you expect in DIY, but that's okay, because you just start over and do it again, or pick up where you left off and fix your mistakes. That's the beauty of DIY. If you liked today's video, make sure to come back every Saturday. I upload at 6 a.m. Eastern Central Time. Every Saturday morning, grab a cup of coffee, come along with me on this DIY journey. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!